Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook shepherd's pie. First, ensure you have about 1.5 pounds of ground lamb or beef, along with your chosen vegetables like carrots, peas, and onions. We'll then craft a deeply flavorful meat base, seasoned perfectly. Following that, we'll prepare a wonderfully smooth and creamy mashed potato topping. Finally, we'll bring it all together for baking, aiming for that irresistible golden finish. Let's begin with the heart of our shepherd's pie, the savory meat base. Start by browning about 1.5 pounds of ground lamb or beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once cooked, drain any excess fat. Then, add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 diced carrots, and 1 cup of fresh or frozen peas, cooking until softened. Stir in 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of rich beef broth, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Season with 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce is wonderfully thick. Now for the comforting crown of our pie, the creamy mashed potato topping. Take about 2 pounds of russet potatoes, peel them, and chop them into roughly 1-inch pieces. Boil these in generously salted water for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are incredibly tender. Drain them completely, then mash them with 1/4 cup of warm milk and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Season with salt and a pinch of white pepper, ensuring your topping is wonderfully smooth and fluffy, ready to spread. Finally, let's bring it all together for baking perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spoon the rich meat filling evenly into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish, ensuring it's spread from edge to edge. Next, carefully dollop and spread the creamy mashed potato topping over the meat, making sure to seal the edges. For a lovely finish, use a fork to create decorative ridges on the potato surface. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the filling is bubbling beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.